Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Let us eat.
Hey, I'm Destiny.
Hey, I'm Luke.
So for today's video, we make
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yes. So we're going to show you guys here in a little bit how to make vegan marinara and then vegan pizza dough. So hope you guys enjoy.
Roll the clip. Broccoli goes on pizza. Just for information's sake, you can actually order pizza without the cheese, and it's still good. It is.
Okay, I believe you.
Just saying. That may be a little bit different than other people. I got told that was kind of weird, but
You are weird. And I like my pizza with
a whole bag of cheese.
a whole bag of cheese. Hey guys, you can add whatever you want on top of your pizza.
Hey guys, it's been a few days since we've recorded this video. I really wanted to kind of say a couple of points that I didn't really get to address whenever we were recording, just because I forgot. The crust was really crunchy for the first part, but once I had taken it home and put it in the fridge, it did soften up quite a bit, so that was better. I think I like soft crust better than crunchy. I know for sure that day cheese is not for everybody. I think if you are looking for something that's like stringy and like more cheesy in texture, and that's what you're looking for, then I think day cheese is really a good alternative to use. I think another issue that I may have had with the pizza was that the pizza sauce was kind of it kind of tasted a little bit off to me, I guess. It kind of, you could really taste the tomato paste in it, and I think that that kind of could have been adjusted for.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell.
And we'll see you next video.
Bye.